1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we...
Hey everybody.
What's up, guys?
We are at Old Key West Resort and we're going to
Olivia's.
We're going for my niece's birthday. We've actually ever been here one other time and it was very quaint.
Very quiet that day too. Very, it wasn't crowded, it was for lunch.
Like some southern Key West type food.
I remember it being very good.
So we didn't get a video out on that, so we're going to do it. We're going to go check it out right now.
We still have it in the can, but we're going to look a lot different in that video. Because it was exactly a year ago.
It was almost a year ago, so
we're going to check this out and hopefully it's...
Yeah, let's go see what they have for dinner.
It's as good as I'm expecting. I'm really excited about this.
Hungry.
I'm getting a little hangry myself. You ready? Let's go check it out.
They have more seating outside. It's a little warm today, so we didn't sit outside. But you can hear the music, pretty music. We've never stayed here, but this place just looks so relaxing. It doesn't even feel like you're at Disney.
No.
I'd love to stay here.
It feels more like you're down in the Keys.
It's so quaint, the water.
Hence, I guess that's probably why they call it Key West.
Oh, you're smart.
I'm pretty perceptive. There's a lighthouse, which if you're on that road, don't drive towards it. All these pictures are the original DVC members, right? And they supply the frame and the pictures, and they put them up here for them. Put it up on it. They gave us a whole room to ourselves. Yeah. Because our original... Yeah. They thought we had 22 people for some reason. They had the whole room for us. And there's just 5 of us. How cool is that?
Pineapple coconut bread. Yum.
You know I'm gonna have some. This always happens. Everywhere we go to, they put us in the party room. It's good, but you know it's weird. All I can smell is the hand sanitizer on my hand.
Oh, the mango?
Yeah. So it tastes like meat and mango bread. And those are the Conch Fritters. Alright, is there anything else we can get for you guys? Thank you.
It looks good, thank you.
Alright, enjoy your meal. Have a great time.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
They didn't have the shrimp po' boy, but the chicken looks good. You can have it.
Looks amazing. Can I get Johnny extra sauces, condiments, ketchup and mustard?
What'd you get? The New York strip?
Thank you so much.
It looks good.
I got the fish.
You got the, can you hold the plate up? Like, is it heavy?
No.
That's the mahi, right? Smells good. That's the only thing I can smell. You were right. Last time it didn't have a bone in it.
I didn't know.
Is it good? It's got my favorites.
Tastes like a buttermilk chicken.
Tastes like a buttermilk chicken. Am I gonna have to cut it?
Do it.
I have the footage from the one we did last year. So remember the camera died halfway through?
You should just slice it with this one.
Oh, that's good. Well, it's good, really good.
And the breading on the chicken is so light. So light.
That's how you clean a plate of chicken. Ashley's trying, but she still has some left. You almost got it. Yeah, I can't. I'm full. I can't eat any of that.
But you can actually taste the butter on the chicken.
Oh yeah, you can. Or is it the mashed potatoes too?
No, it's not.
It tastes like a lot of butter. Yeah.
It does say buttermilk chicken.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely that.
Just checking to see if I got any food on my face.
Do I have any food on my face? Because I cleaned that plate pretty good.
No, I'm surprised you didn't lick it.
It was pretty good. I probably could have licked it.
It was very good.
If it had frosting on it, I would have.
It's just such a nice, quaint little restaurant. It's like a nice family.
It was great
together.
for Gabby's birthday.
She loved it. It was super nice. They gave her a card for her birthday and some balloons.
Oh, we didn't show the little
Oh, and she also
cupcake
got
dessert.
a cupcake too, and the cupcake actually didn't look like all the other ones you get at the resort
No, it looks like
restaurant.
they made it here.
The actual icing looked like homemade.
And she said it was homemade.
Yeah, and when they brought our entrees out, the chef actually was bringing them out, which I thought was really nice. It was a really nice touch.
And for fried chicken, it was so light.
It was very light.
It was the perfect. At first, I was like, oh, that's not a lot. You know, I think the chicken meal was $20, but it filled me up.
It was really good.
And usually, if you have something left over, I'll finish it. I didn't even attempt to
You were
finish it because I was stuffed.
Yeah, and
You didn't finish it, so you know you got enough.
yeah, the cast members just excellent. It was just a really good time.
It was great portions too because Gabby didn't finish hers, Tammy didn't finish hers, and Eddie didn't finish hers.
Right,
So
yeah.
it was a good. And I was the only one that finished. I guess I'm the pig of the group.
So if you've ever stayed at Old Key West Resort or eaten at Olivia's, let us know what your thoughts are.
Yeah, what's your favorite thing?
I would recommend it.
Well, they had milkshakes and everything else.
No, we didn't try that.
There's so much stuff we could have tried, but I'm absolutely
We were so
full.
full with our entree, so.
And you know I love key lime pie. I didn't even bother with the key lime dessert because I was so full. But I highly recommend it.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek. Well, it's not really a sneak peek.
And the atmosphere here is excellent.
The look into Olivia's.
Little, I don't know if you can hear it right now, but a little
All the
nice little music in the
calypso
background.
music going.
Yeah.
But thank you so much.
Don't waste a day.
Every day's a gift.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey guys.
Hi.
It's another dining review.
Ooh, yum.
First time for us. We're at Olivia's.
Olivia's at Old Key West Vacation Club.
And so far I like the feel. It actually feels like we're in
And the
Key West.
keys. I
Yeah.
love the keys.
Yeah, so we're going to have lunch with your sister today.
Yeah, that's and my niece.
And
Yeah.
our niece.
Yeah. Oh yeah, our niece. What are those?
Those are Conch Fritters.
Conch Fritters. I'm not sure what the types of sauce were.
What do they call it? Roasted pepper remoulade?
Ooh, you're
I
out of
butchered that
focus.
word. I butchered it over the sawgrass milk
Yeah.
too, so.
Go ahead, you can try first. You want a dip? No double dipping. That's spicy. Good? Almost like a hush puppy with conch in it.
It tastes red pepper, but it's not spicy. It's good. All right, we're gonna see how Ashley feels about conch fritters. They're good, aren't they? That's what one of the things I used to love about going to the Keys every year is conch fritters and lobster. Yeah. That's a po' boy. Is that a roast beef?
Roast beef, yes. What's the pulled pork? Coleslaw.
Oh, remember how?
Yeah. Roast beef. Oh, I'm sorry, roast beef. I don't even know how to start eating this.
Holy moly, where are you going to start with that
I don't
thing?
know how to start.
Is that a biscuit on the top?
That's a biscuit on the top. Mashed potatoes.
Gravy. Is it good?
It's really good.
I may have to try it later. And the mashed potatoes are good.
Yes.
She just teased me. I thought she was going to give it to me. I don't even know where. Look at that. Look at this thing.
Huge.
Like, where do you start? Should I probably try to cut it?
Yeah, you should probably try to cut it.
Oh wait, here's a shrimp.
That's all. The shrimp is very good. It's nice and light.
One thing I did notice right away is the pepper sauce on that. That's pepper.
Alright, he's got it cut. Let's see if he can get it without anything falling off.
That's not gonna happen.
It's a challenge. Good?
That's a good po' boy.
You feel like you're in the keys?
No,
No.
it has the feel of it, but you know when you're in the Keys.
Yeah.
Because you know why? Because you get that salt smell in the air.
No. So Bob's
That's a big
trying
piece.
my fried
That's a
chicken.
big piece. I don't even know if I can fit this in my mouth. Let me see.
Sorry it's so loud in here. Lunchtime. That's really good, isn't it? Light. It's really light.
That was really good. Wow.
We are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.